Humans have created many wonders, but few come close to the crispy, golden perfection of the humble hot chip. Aussies love their chippies. And now one group of entrepreneurs has taken that love to the next level.
A world-first self-serve chip shop has sold out of spuds after its Queensland launch went viral online. Chip and Mix has seen customers queuing out the door and all the way along Noosa's popular Hastings Street.
Thanks so much for having us at Chip and Mix. I mean, this is an idea we all wish we had. What's your I made it moment?
Mine was genuinely opening the door for the first time and serving our first customers, seeing people enjoy the store. There's the most gorgeous photo of us all in the kitchen having a big hug while Belle has a cry on opening day.
Oh, yeah.
It happens a lot.
It did go wild on your first opening weekend, didn't it?
Absolutely bonkers because it was kind of like a chippy war zone. There was chips flying around out the back. We had like hundreds of chippers that way, hundreds of chippers in here.
You call them chippers?
Yeah.
They've got a name.
They've got a name. Chippers, we're chief
We're
chippers.
the chief chippers.
Chief chippers. I love it.
Hello, chippers. We've been getting up to some random cheap chipper business since we've opened, but this is definitely one of our highlights.
Where did the idea come from?
The idea literally came from me wanting to have the product and it not existing. I love loaded fries. The concept of being able to create it for myself was something that I really wanted.
Going from idea to opening the shop, how long was that?
Around about 9 months.
You had a business baby.
We had a business baby, quite literally. Every single person we've met along the way has embraced the idea and really gone on this journey with us.
Bella and Josh, how has age impacted your experience?
We'd have renovations going on here and we'd walk in and be like, oh, look, the people that we've hired, and they would just walk straight past us. They wouldn't even say hi. And like, you know, they're lovely people and they were always like, sorry, we thought you were the kids, like, of the actual owners.
I mean, I remember one day in particular, we were like, is it safe to walk through? And he was like, no, mate, it's a building site, sorry. And we're like, yeah. And I was like, it's my building site. Like, can I come in?
Was it kind of cool to be underestimated?
It really was.
Yeah, it was.
The whole time we were going through the process, we were like, the next store is going to be bliss. Like, it's going to be so easy because it was always in the plans to open a few within the first sort of 18 months, and we're still on track for that, which is super exciting. On our first day, literally our first 3 hours of being open, we had emails saying we'd love to sit down and talk about franchising or investment.
We had like over 60 offers worldwide by the end of that first week.
Wow.
Yeah.
These little guys are great on their own, but they're begging for some toppings. So,
Should we go and grab some?
yes, please. I thought you'd never ask. Go.